Good afternoon, friends, or almost afternoon with a new time change. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody is having a great day so far, weather-wise. Well, today I got a shock in the weather today. I anticipated a snowstorm, and it wasn't so bad yesterday. But there's little Annie, see? Yeah, sweetheart. Yeah, so it's really bad. It hit overnight. So let's take a look outside and I'll show you. Alright guys, this is it. This is the big snow right here. As you can see, it's almost like a whiteout. The wind is whipping around and it's really, I don't think too many people are out on the road. And it's really cold and snowy and wet, and it's just a big mess, and they haven't even plowed our parking lot yet. Believe it or not, that's my car down there, buried in the snow. I was supposed to go to work today, but I had to call out because I'm obviously not going to leave the house today, not in this blizzard type weather. They said it was going to be about 15 inches, maybe 12, maybe about a foot and a half, I don't know. It's going to keep snowing all afternoon and almost partway into the evening, and it's supposed to stop by tomorrow. So I'll just stay bundled up and stay inside, and later on I'll go outside and attempt to brush off my car that's sitting right here. Um, but for now we'll go outside and take a closer look at it. But for now, I'm going to stay inside and have some coffee and orange juice, watch TV, and I just had breakfast. So we're just going to hang out and enjoy staying home on a wonderful Sunday. Snow-filled, as you can see. Woohoo! All right. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch y'all next time.